Honorable Chief Guest, respected Principal, Vice Principal, dedicated teachers, supportive parents, and my fellow graduates, good afternoon. My name is Christabel Pekimi. As we celebrate a massive milestone today, it is a privilege to stand before you on behalf of the class of 2026. My fellow graduates, class of 2026, we did it. We finally did it. Can you even believe it? The day we have always talked about and always dreamt of is finally here. And as I looked around the room, I am struck with a realization that while it is indeed our academic hustle that got us our certificates and earned us these seats, it is clear and transparent that we are the best dressed batch to ever do this. I can see those beautiful curls, those perfectly ironed button-ups, those rosy red lips, and honestly, we looked stunning and we have never looked better. However, I will never forget how drained and tired we looked during those late night study sessions and how we shook each other awake when one drifted off, as well as stay on a lookout for one another so that our teachers and our wardens wouldn't scold us. Honestly, I will never forget how we secretly went to the hostel garden just to pluck the wildflowers, which were pretty great for decorating our boring brown cupboards. And I will miss those days where we would sneak around here and there, plotting and planning ways on how we will steam YY, as if it was some legendary mission. And one of my favorite memories were those nights when there was a function at V Tanzawa Juan. We didn't need an invitation at all. We just stood on our hostel balcony and sang Wonderful Tonight at the top of our lungs. We probably sounded very silly, but in those moments, standing there together, I wouldn't have traded our balcony for any other party in the world. At the heart of it all, we were always there for each other, even on our most stressful days back in our hostel confinement. And now, it is so beautiful to see us all arrived on our finest day together. But what makes this moment truly ours is that together isn't just a word for us anymore. It is how we survived. We broke down, yes, of course, but most importantly, we sprung up right back on our feet. We encouraged each other again and again until those uncountable struggles turned into this shared success. Above all, I want to offer my deepest gratitude to God in the moments when we were breaking down and the weight felt too heavy. He was the silent strength that lifted us back up again and again. The success we celebrated today is a reflection of His grace and blessings. And to our teachers, how will we thank the people who became our entire world? You are so much more than educators. You were our anchors and our second parents. When we were far from home, you provided the warmth, the guidance, and the belief we needed to keep going. You didn't just help us evolve, you helped us find ourselves. We are your legacy, and we carry your lessons in our heart beyond these doors. And to our parents, thank you for the sacrifices made in silence and for the love that reached us no matter the distance. We hope that today, seeing us here makes every difficult moment worth it. It is you all who we became because of you all. And when I first entered CLS as a class 4 student back in 2019, the halls were almost empty and the school was just starting out. Over the years, I've had a front row seat to watch our school transform itself from just a few classrooms to something big and amazing. However, the most incredible thing hasn't been those improvements. It has been watching all of you grow into the wonderful beings you are now today. We have lived by the words, we create, you evolve. And looking at us now, I finally understand what it actually means. This school created the space for us to struggle, but it was in that struggle that we truly evolved. We didn't just grow older, we evolved into the best versions of ourselves we once only dreamed of becoming. Now, as Class 11 opens, some of us will stay and some will go. But no matter where we head next, we will always have the pride of knowing that we were once together. We survived the winter of our stress only to realize that the spring we have been waiting for is actually a season of letting go. We have made it class of 2026, but making it is just a quieter way of saying goodbye to the most beautiful chapter of our life. Again, congratulations, class of 2026. Thank you.